Python's file modes, R, W, and A, are crucial for effective file handling. R opens files for reading, W for writing, overwriting existing content, and A for appending data. Selecting the correct mode ensures data integrity and prevents errors, making it vital for persistent data storage and efficient file operations. File handling is essential for persistent data storage, preserving information like user preferences and system logs. Python's open function is the gateway for file operations, offering a powerful interface. Choosing the correct file mode is crucial to avoid data loss, permission errors, or file corruption. Python's core file modes, read, R, write, W, and append, A, each serve unique purposes. R mode allows read-only access, starting at the file's beginning, requiring the file's existence. View mode enables writing, truncating existing content, and creating new files if absent. A mode appends data, preserving existing content, starting at the file's end. Understanding file pointer positions is crucial. In R mode, the pointer starts at the first byte, allowing only reading. W mode places the pointer at the start, truncating content. A mode positions the pointer after the last byte, preserving existing data while appending new content. In R mode, files open in read-only mode, prohibiting writing. The file pointer starts at the beginning, ideal for sequential reading. If the file doesn't exist, a file not found error is raised. Use the with statement for opening files. It ensures automatic closure, even if errors occur, enhancing reliability and safety in file handling.